Hey guys, this is on the Quick Speed Shop. I should be working on the C10, but we got a break in the action. We're going to head out to Buffalo. My friend Paul, the pinstriper, is going to put some fine lines down on the yellow 37 Buick. I got Ted along. We're going to hang out there and see some cool stuff while he stripes the car. And then we're going to go to a cruise night and walk around and see what's going on. So let's, as the Grateful Dead would say, head on to Buffalo. Hey guys, we're out here at Paul's place getting some striping done on a Buick. Check this out.
I got an invite to his collection. I threw him or with him.
A couple times.
Yep.
Actually, he owns a paint store. I buy all my paint thinners.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
We'll go over it back here, but check out some of the neat stuff here. Model A, two-door sedan. All kinds of trinkets.
Let's see something.
Trinkets.
Yeah, I wired this guy's barn back home around the corner from the rider, and all of a sudden we started hanging out. Now he's like a fourth buddy.
This thing's pretty awesome. A 36 red Roadster.
That's nice.
Where do I get one?
Except for the grandkids. So you go crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, it's all striped underneath and curb feelers. Come on, man.
I figured you do this all over the house for practice. I figured. Did you do your wife's cooking paint yet?
No. You want me to walk through the house and show you what I stripe?
Sure. Yeah. That's awesome. Yeah.
Keep it clean.
My dad's only rule was no pinstripes on my car. You can do whatever you want.
And you got me doing this?
Whoops.
Oh man, I'm probably gonna have a heart attack tonight or something.
He's gonna visit you.
I do. It's your fault.
He said no pinstripes. He didn't say that. Hey, there's Ted.
Well, isn't that odd? The Ted's here.
Great.
Why not? She wants me out of the house. This is where I go.
I'm the only reason Ted's not divorced. I get him away. He's got to get away. Get away time.
We've done a lot of miles over almost 3 years. I wouldn't have been in all those museums if I didn't take those road trips. Never would have been.
We didn't go on power tour this year. There was the rainy power tour, but I couldn't drive all the way
Did
out
you
there.
hear what's going on with that? They were the thieves were following them around, robbing their cars and all kinds of stuff.
No, that was
They
in,
searched them out at the hotels.
that was in Chicago.
That's terrible.
That was in Chicago.
I know, but that's what's going on, man. It's just people are nuts. They grab a good thing and then they follow these poor people around. They rob their cars. It's like
Gran Torino car?
it's in his collection.
Guy's 95 years old now.
96, I think. He just turned 96.
Really? Oh yeah, he just had a birthday.
Uh-oh, they're coming right. They're getting ready to go swim. We gotta go that way.
It's my wife.
Oh, cold for swimming today, ain't
Making
it?
sure the temperature's fine for the swimmers.
Is the
How
pool
many come? How many kids come?
Just one.
is the pool heated?
Sweet.
Oh,
It's probably about 80. Check the top. Doing my most hated thing in the world:
yeah. What is it?
dashboards.
You love dashboards. You get to crinkle up in there.
I hate doing dashboards
Why do you hate doing dashboards? Tip the paint over into the
because I'm
tweed.
big and fat, and there ain't much room in there.
Oh my god, there's plenty of room. You got big bucket seats.
Okay. Yeah, it's funny. I went to breakfast this morning with a 84-year-old sign painter, and he's like, "I was at a car show the other day. There's a car there. You did the dashboard." He goes, "Was the dashboard out of the car?" I says, "No." He says, "How'd you get in there?" I says, "I don't know." Yeah.
Could be a chopped and channeled coupe laying there upside
I did.
down.
Remember Tony from out your way had
What?
the little chopped and channeled. I think it was a Model A. coupe.
Muscatella.
Yeah.
Oh, is 32?
Yeah.
You can't get Kenwood stereos like that anymore. That's old school. It's
I'll bet.
1994 right there.
Actually, when we get done here, I'll show you a picture over there that somebody took of me striping Tony's dashboard. That was a long time ago, man. I had black hair then. And
Fuck, I lost.
They
I forgot
framed
the
it?
color of my hair.
Hey, really?
They framed some pinstriper who I don't even know pinstriped it. These guys went way out of their way to. It's on the Wall of Fame over there.
Huh. I can't remember what I told you about. I got a signed Barris a la carte tin sign signed by George Barris at SEMA, and I met him in the parking lot by accident.
Cool.
Then he died.
Then he died. Well, we all get our turn, you know.
Not me. I got through it. I'm good now.
You're good. Yeah.
Just take that aspirin they told you to take.
The baby aspirin.
Yep.
They told me that too.
He needs to.
Doesn't wine work the same way? He said no.
Oh, I haven't drank since the first of the year.
See, I only drink alone or with somebody, so I'm okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get in on the other side.
Oh, I want to see that. This Roadster makes a perfect sitting spot to watch.
Oh, not only does it have 4 chairs on each end, it has 2 right here.
Yeah.
I quite often, if I'm somewhere, I'll sit in like this. This is actually more comfortable than sitting on the tires.
Special patina. This Roadster's awesome. I was going to build a Roadster. I'm like, I should have a Roadster, but I'm not an open top guy.
This is my 4th one. Sweet.
I'm looking for an original paint Deuce Roadster, if you know of anybody that's got one cheap.
Yeah, people in hell want ice water too, you know.
All them old antiquers are dying off. There's got to be one for sale somewhere.
Where'd you find the blue one? Local?
Talking to me?
What blue one?
That one over
You
there.
built it.
I did. Actually, my buddy found it sitting on a front lawn for sale out in Lockport.
Almost the way it looks?
Oh, absolutely not. It took 4 people to carry the body home.
Oh, wow.
It was what we commonly refer to as a flapper.
So, okay, so you come a long way with that.
And, yeah. I don't like to start with anything nice
Uh-huh.
because if you start with junk, you can only make it better.
That's great.
You did a good job on that.
That's
That's sweet.
See, I'm the other way around. I take nice stuff and turn it
sweet.
into junk by
yeah.
the way I operate.
I noticed that.
I don't have the patience for nice stuff. Now I'm building a nice truck and a nice car.
That purple 37 you seen over there on the wall?
Yeah.
Nicest car I ever did, man. Thing was on the Snap-on tool calendar. Best paint, best interior. I got all the awards I wanted with that car.
Huh. Sweet.
First time I took it to a show and somebody asked me if it was a kit car, I hated the car. It was the day I finished it, I took it to a show. Is that a kit car?
Oh,
Yeah. 3 years later and $35,000 later.
Right.
there you go.
That was it. Is that a Downs car?
It was a Downs. California Dreamin' chassis. I mean, but I built it. I'm still, you know.
Right.
So then I put this together with my kids, this Roadster.
Uh-huh.
So we'd go to a cruise night, and nobody wanted to even look at that 37. They're all over this thing, you know.
That's like his dragster he put together.
Oh man, it's like it
They
drips.
flop
It's so
there.
cool.
I built
It's like, what is it?
that dragster specifically for Paul.
You did. And Josh, believe me, I'll never forget that. I tell people, see that car there? He built that car for my show.
In 5 weeks for $300.
And then he wears that snowmobile helmet.
It's the only helmet I got. Leave me alone.
I had that when I was a kid on my first Skidoo. We were running at the golf course.
It's a peanut.
He used to rent snowmobiles out my way. Here comes somebody up the driveway with a little baby.
Yeah, that's
Who's
those were
that?
my swim people. That's all right. My neighbors.
Sweet little baby.
Oh yeah,
Good.
great. I have the best neighbors in the world. Trust me.
That-
They live
that's
next
you.
door in his tutor house.
That's nice. That's the way to have it, you know.
Oh, I got the best. Hey, give me your keys, Josh.
My
I don't
keys?
miss stuff.
Can
I go to
I
war with
put this
mine.
thing in drive without
Yeah.
without it rolling away on me?
I think so. Hi.
Hi everybody.
It shouldn't roll away. It's. Oh, I'm sorry. I gave you too many keys. It's that one, yeah.
Don't knock that paint over.
I won't knock it over. All the keys are worn away to nothing.
Let me know if it starts rolling. All right.
The shifter's stiff.
Did it start to roll?
Not really. I can stand in front of it if you want.
You may have to readjust your steering wheel too.
I can put my foot under it.
Yeah, there
wait,
you go.
oh wait, isn't there a block of wood or something? Ted, grab that block of wood right by your foot. Just put it on behind the front tire.
It's there.
There you go.
It's there. It ain't going nowhere.
Oh, that's a tilt column too. If you need to tilt it out of the way.
I think I already moved it once, so.
Man, we came up here. I didn't go on the thruway. Obviously, but we came. We came up 33 by the airport. Then we came up. I got on the 190 and like had to like fight all the traffic at 100 miles an hour. It was awesome. Made it no problem.
What's up?
Until I realized I didn't have a passenger side mirror.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll take a picture of him.
Am I supposed to be?
No, you can.
This man's not everybody.
I'll tell you what. I went to breakfast with this old sign painter,
Yeah.
talking about striped dashboards, and here I am doing one. I gotta have you take me a picture of me striped this dashboard, and I'm gonna send it to him. And I go, see what you did to me?
You want me to ask the pinstriper if he knows that guy? What's his name? Paul what? You know a Paul Ertel?
Absolutely.
He says absolutely.
Known him forever.
Known him forever. Well,
Oh, is that old man Bill?
Paul Ertel.
Tell me when you're ready.
Yeah, go ahead.
I got like 3. Oh, he's talking old man Bill.
Oh,
Oh, how to preserve it?
millionaire. He owns Urban Paint.
Does he live in Rochester? Must
Want
be.
me to ask him how to
Never.
save that?
Remember being in
I'll take a picture of you. Sorry, put your brush back out there for a second.
Oh, that old car. 4-door.
Got it.
Remember one year?
You got to put them in your ears like ducks.
I know.